Factor polynomials. Here is a thinking and problem solving question. For what value of p is it possible to divide out a common factor from 15x squared plus px minus 6 but not from 4x squared plus px minus 6? Explain. So I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question and then answer. Once you've answered, look into my suggestions. Now let's read the question again. It says, for what values of p is it possible to divide out a common factor from 15x squared plus px minus 6 but not from 4x squared plus px minus 6? So we have two polynomials here. One is 15x squared plus px minus 6 and the other one is 4x squared plus px minus 6. Now we need to find possible values of p so that we can find a common factor from this term and not from that polynomial. So that is what the question is. Now how will you find that out? Well, the technique is, let us find the factors of the coefficients given here. So what are the factors of 15? So factors of 15 are 3 and 5, right? How about factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Now in this case, factors of 4 are 2 and 2 and factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Now we need to figure out what can be a factor of p so that we can factor these out but not that. Correct? Now clearly the common factors on the right side, as you can see, are 2's, right? So we have 2 as a common factor. And on the left side, the common factor is 3. Now if I have to factor this term, then p should be multiple of 3, right? If I have to factor here, p should be a multiple of 2, right? So what we have here is, to factor, we have a condition that p is multiple of 2. And in this case, we have the condition that p is multiple of 3, right? Now, all the multiples of 3 are like what? Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. When we talk about 6, 6 is also a multiple of 2, right? Now, since we want that p should have values so that only first polynomial can be factored but not the other one, then the condition becomes that p should not be a multiple of 2, right? That means all odd multiples of 3 is the answer, correct? Therefore, answer is odd multiples, not even multiples. Odd multiples of 3, right, is the answer, right? For example, we can have plus minus 3. Then we cannot have plus minus 6 because then this can also be factored. Then we can have plus minus 9, not 12, but we can have 15, right? Like this. So that is how we have to think and solve this question. I hope you find it interesting. You can subscribe to my videos and look for many other questions on tips. Thank you.